What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is my 2016 Toyota Sequoia. She's completely bone stock besides the grill. I added this grill, gave it the Raptor lights. I think it's a nice little touch, but my goal with this car is to give it a nice clean off-road look. I'm not trying to do 40-inch wheels, 5-inch, like I don't want to do anything excessive because this is my family car, but I want to make it look a little bit more aggressive. So this is an introduction. This is my baby. I absolutely love this car. I think it's a great family car. If you guys are looking for a nice big family car, Toyota Sequoia, especially with the 5.7, not this new crap. This right here, solid, reliable, gas mileage. Yeah. But when you buy a car like this, you're not in it for the gas mileage. I bought this thing, what, maybe, I think 2 years. It's my second year owning it. And I love it. It's not the fanciest car, but that's what I want to do. So, any of you Toyota guys that are out there that got Tundras, Tacomas, 4Runners, Sequoias, I would appreciate a like and subscribe to watch the build process. I have some wheels, tires that I've picked out that are on the way. I want to do the bumper, roof rack, just tasteful stuff. I'm not taking it off-roading, so I don't want to go super crazy, but I like that off-road look. You know what I mean? It's a Sequoia, you got to make it look the part. So this is my baby right here. She's stock. So definitely, guys, if you want to see a cool series of me modding this thing out, like and subscribe, turn on those notifications, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, she's stock, interior stock. I want to get the it's a little dirty because it's baseball season. Anybody knows we're running around, but I definitely want to get the upgraded radio, the JBL. Not the JBL, you guys know what I'm talking about, the touchscreen one. I want to upgrade that. And any ideas, put them in the comments. Let me know what you think I should do. I don't want to again do anything too crazy because I do daily this thing, which is crazy with gas being almost $5. I do daily it. I do have a Camry. Is there a camera tilt? Or is that good? Woo! I'm a little nervous because this is my first vlog style video. But yeah, guys, this is the introduction video. I know it's not too crazy, but if you guys want to see the series, the build series, and the steps of beginning to end, I would appreciate a like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and yeah, I think I'm gonna open up an Instagram, open up a TikTok, so I can do some shorts there too. So if I do, I'll put it in the description. I would appreciate a follow there. And yeah, let's get this series going. And I'm excited because I've always wanted to do this since I bought it. I've always wanted to do this. So I'm actually happy that I made this video because now I have no choice but to do it. So yeah, guys, everybody have a good day. Peace.